Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video with your boy Chance. And yes guys, this is the video that we've been waiting for, boys and girls. This is the reveal video. But yeah, boys and girls, the car is finally done. Well, I've had the car for about 2 weeks now, but after the car got finished, I took it back home to park because I wanted to solve that radiator issue. But I'll get back to that story later on or in another video. But yes, boys and girls, let me show you guys the exhaust setup. So yes guys, let me lift the rear so that you guys can see a bit better. I think that's nice and high. But yeah, boys, this is the tips. Well, this is the whole exhaust system, boys. 63 millimeters, like Mohammed said. If you guys didn't see that video, I'll leave the link on the top right corner, or also link it on the description box below. But yes, boys, this is the whole system done, and I must say, guys, the car is really loud now. And yes guys, I know you guys see that the number plate is gone. It actually fell when we went to go test drive the car after collection, so I lost my rear plate, boys. So yeah, I need new soft plata, Joe. But yes, boys, that's the whole system. You guys like it? So yeah, right now I want to go to the petrol station, check my tire pressure before I'll give you guys POV drive as well. So yeah, I'm jam packing this video for you guys so that you guys enjoy it. So yeah, while I'm making my way over to the petrol station, well, I'll throw in the clips of when we went to go collect it with my boy Keegan over at RAZA Automotive. Huge shout out to the guys for hooking us up with the whole exhaust system. What we need now is actually branches, boys. That's also on our to-do list now for the exhaust, but that will come along later on, boys. So while we're still there, guys, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Let me throw in the clips of when we went to go collect the car, boys. So yeah, enjoy. Dank je, Keegan. Hoe gaat het, Keegan? Ons is goed, meneer. Ons is goed, meneer.
That was late again, guys.
And they close in what, an hour's time? Looking dapper, my boy.
One liter.
Hmm?
No, I'm just
Looking dapper, my boy.
Make me shy.
Are you ready for the collection, my boy? Collection day.
Yeah, today we're making history.
Yo, and my boy, I heard it start yesterday.
You did? What does it sound like?
Yo.
Different?
Yo.
Like mine, close to. Similar.
You'll have to wait and see, my boy.
Louder, quieter, louder.
You'll have to wait and see, my boy. My boy has to wait and see. You have to wait and see, boy.
Okay.
Let's go.
Much later.
No way.
Happy with that?
What? There's no way. Sounds crazy, boys. Boys. Huge shout out to the guys at RAZA Automotive. The car looks so sick. Clean custom exhaust.
How was it first drive?
Nah, sounds crazy.
Loud inside, eh?
What's that?
It is loud inside.
It's loud inside, yeah.
Ooh.
Huge shout out to the guys, man. Oh, sounds good.
Nah, sure, man.
Happy with how it came out. Everything is solid. We good this side. Eh? So yes, boys, tires checked. Let me give you guys that POV. Let's hit it, my boys. Let me give you guys a little around before I head out. But the car looks sexy as. Yes, that's the first start, my boys. So yes, boys, right now the compressor is also making a noise, but it's gonna go quiet soon, so don't worry about that. You can actually hear the compressor more than the pipe. There we are. So yeah guys, there's traffic now. I'll continue again when the road opens up, boys. But the car is substantially loud. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but yeah, people are looking at me weird for recording because I have this holder thingy balancing in my mouth, which I know that I look weird as hell. But yeah, So yes guys, there's a lot of traffic, so I don't know if this POV might be worth it. I don't know if the angle has been okay even. I don't know boys. If it's been crap, apologies boys. Yo. Yes boys, I've been struggling to give you guys a proper POV. Guys, I chose peak time to do my POV, so yeah. But otherwise boys, the car is quite sick. I'm quite pleased with the car. It's quite dope, man. It sounds sick. Listen to this. And this guy with his Polo TSI R apparently also has an exhaust system. Sounds a bit obnoxious. Sounds mad boy. And now I enjoy doing downshift. Before, like if I were to come to a complete stop, I was just gonna take the car out of gear and leave it into neutral. Now I do proper downshift, and there's a bit of burbles to it. Not pops, not bangs, but there's that nice to it. I don't know if I'll get a chance to give you guys that sound somewhere. If I get a place to do it, then I'll do it for you boys. But yo, I'm in love with how it sounds boys. Sheesh. Oh, more traffic. But yeah boys, that's the mini POV. I hope the angle of how the camera was recording was proper for you guys. I don't know. I'll see when I edit. But forgive me if the angle was quite skew. If it was quite skew and quite bad, I'll use it either way. But I'll do another POV with my boy Keegan. But yeah, boys. Oh, the car just sounds sick, bruh. Shit. And that's the thing about doing exhaust, guys. Once you start doing exhaust, you start driving like a lunatic. I don't know why, but it's just that thing that you want to hear the sound of the car, so you end up driving like a hooligan. But that's the thing with exhaust, my boys. I'm sure everyone that has an exhaust on his car can testify or say that, yeah, that's probably true. Once you start doing exhaust on your car, I tell you, you're gonna start driving like a hooligan, and that's where you start affecting this baby here. You always don't have gas, but that's the thing. But for car guys, that's what we enjoy, boys. We like mod. Honda boys. My boy. boys, there is that one slight pop that pops unexpectedly sometimes. So yes guys, I want you guys to hear the car when it revs up. So I'm gonna ask someone random to record this part of the clip for me where I rev the car. So hang tight boys.
10 seconds later.
So yes guys, that's the whole car and that's how it sounds. So please let us know down in the comment section below on what you guys think about the whole exhaust system. And I would like to thank the guys again over at RAZA Automotive for sponsoring us with the exhaust system. Guys, the whole experience with dealing with them was phenomenal. I don't regret it and I don't think you guys will too. So yes guys, like you guys heard from Mohammed on the first video that we did with them when we went to go drop off the car at RAZA Automotive, Mohammed did say that some downpipes, well, you can get a free downpipe on exchange for yours. So please take that as an advantage, and please note that not all of the downpipes are for exchange. So just call them, let them know which car you're driving, and yeah, they'll give you guys a code if maybe it's not a full exchange. So yeah, huge shout out to the guys at RAZA Automotive. Hit them up, get your codes on your exhaust systems. Guys, I'm telling you, you guys won't regret it. The car sounds sick, I'm enjoying it, and yeah, well, I hope you guys also like it and enjoy it just as I do. So yeah boys, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace guys.